Hi and welcome to the YouTube Active Domestics Cleaning channel. My name's Lisa Killerby and I'm from Brisbane, Australia. I know a fair bit about cleaning because I have to do such a lot of it. I have a large family and a large house. So I've got a beautiful husband, Paul, and my 4 beautiful sons who are all like teenagers, young adults right now, and they seem to have this marvelous ability to be able to make this place pretty dirty and pretty messy pretty quickly. Clearly I need to train them better. Anyway, on this channel you'll learn lots of different skills and tips and things about cleaning and whatnot, because not only am I a busy mum, but I've also had a cleaning agency for over 13 years now. Now my cleaning agency is called Active Domestics. I started that business in 2005 and it's still going strong now. So I picked up a lot of tips and a lot of information over the years that I'd like to share with you. So if you would like to know more and keep updated with the latest videos, please hit the subscribe button and look forward to having you join me on my little journey here. So thank you very much. Bye.